How to make home screen auto-rotate on Android phone or tablet. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Now scroll down. Head towards the option of additional settings. Open it. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Open this option, accessibility. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Head towards the section of physical. Under that you will find the option of auto-rotate screen. Toggle on for it. With that you have just enabled auto-rotate on your device. In the case you cannot find these options in your device, you can head back to the main page of settings. Now at the very top you will find the search box. Over there type in auto-rotate. With that you will find the option of auto-rotate screen. Click on it. And you will directly land to the page where you will find the option of auto-rotate. Now you have to enable for that option, and with that you will be good to go. Well, this is how you can easily make home screen auto-rotate on Android phone or tablet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.